In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get 1099 from Airbnb. If you host on Airbnb and need your tax form for filing, the good news is that the process is usually very straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to find your 1099 form directly from your Airbnb account and what to check before you save it. To begin, open Airbnb and sign in to your host account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile or listing. Once you're in, go to the top of the screen and click your profile picture. From that menu, select Account. Inside your account settings, look for the Taxes section. In some Airbnb accounts, this may appear as Taxes and Tax Documents, so don't worry if the wording is slightly different. The goal is to get into the area where Airbnb stores your tax-related information. After that, open the Tax Documents section. This is where Airbnb makes available any forms that have been issued to you. Look through the list for your 1099 form. Depending on your situation, you may see a Form 1099-K or a Form 1099-NEC. If Airbnb issued a form for the year you need, it should appear here. Next, select the tax year you want to view. This is especially helpful if you need a form from a previous year, so take a moment to confirm you've chosen the correct one before downloading anything. Once you've found the right form, download the 1099 as a PDF to your device. Saving it as a PDF makes it easy to print, send to your tax preparer, or store digitally with your other tax records. After downloading, review the information carefully. Check that your personal details and earnings are correct. This step matters because even a small error can cause issues later when you're preparing your tax return. It's a good idea to read through the form fully rather than assuming everything is accurate. When everything looks right, save a copy for your records and keep it somewhere secure so you can access it when it's time to file your taxes. If you believe you should have received a 1099 but don't see one in your Airbnb account, the final step is to contact Airbnb support. They can help you confirm whether a form was issued and guide you on what to do next. And that's how to get your 1099 from Airbnb.